Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a fresh mango cake. Let's look at the ingredients now. You may refer to the descriptions for a complete list of instructions and ingredients. 喺注釋裏面有中文食譜。Egg whites should be chilled. Mix oil with milk first and then add sugar and salt. Whisk together, then sift in cake flour. Preheat the oven at 315 Fahrenheit. Add egg yolks, then whisk into a smooth mixture. Preheat oven to 315 Fahrenheit. Beat egg whites at high speed. Add cream of tartar and sugar from the side. Then beat at medium speed until the egg whites exceed firm peaks. The egg whites should form a small hook when you lift the beater. Beat the egg whites for a few seconds at low speed to eliminate air bubbles. Whisk 1/3 egg whites into batter to incorporate. Pour the mixture into the other 2/3 of egg whites. Fold to incorporate in a light stroke. Pour the mixture back into the other bowl. Use a spatula to fold from the bottom, then cut in the center to incorporate. Pour the mixture into a baking pan. Tap baking pan a few times to remove air bubbles. Bake at 290 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes, then switch the baking pan 180 degrees and bake for another 10 minutes at 320 Fahrenheit. Invert the cake to cool down. Prepare the whipping cream now. Melt gelatin and water in steaming water. Add gelatin and icing sugar in the whipping cream, then beat until firm peaks. It's easier to beat if the bowl is sit on a bed of ice. Try to buy bigger mangoes if possible. My mango's a bit small this time. Use a good fruit peeler to peel the mangoes to ensure the surface is smooth. Try not to use a knife. Peel some larger slices of mango. Then cut about 400 grams of smaller mango cubes. Release the cake now. Divide the cake into 3 layers. Place the bottom layer on a cake board, then place it on a turntable. Spread whipping cream on. Then scoop half of the mango pieces on. Spread out the mango cubes into a thin layer, then spread another layer of whipping cream on. Smooth out the cream. Place one layer of cake on, then repeat the procedures. Place the top layer of cake on. Spread whipping cream on top and at the side. Smooth the whipping cream. Wrap the side of the cake with the bigger slices of mango. With one side of mango slice overlapping. So you can see if the mango slices are bigger, the cake will look nicer. Decorate the top of the cake with blueberries, strawberries, and green grapes. Cut 2 mangoes in halves now. Then thinly slice each half like this. These thin slices are used to form the mango rolls. Start with bigger slices first and use the slice to form a circle. With one tip overlapping. Continue doing the same thing until the space is filled with mango rolls. Use a small knife to separate the petals. Melt jam with hot water, then brush the jam water onto the fruits. Don't forget to brush the side as well. Refrigerate the cake for a couple hours before serving. Enjoy!